Hello dear student, welcome back. You are here with me with new video, and today's video is on this lessons. The Rat Trap, written by Selma Lazaroff. Selma Lazaroff said that any bad person can be changed into a good one. He can be transformed in a quality person. But condition is that you have to show care, love, and behave properly. Right? So as usual, I have brought some important points from the lesson so that you can get the central idea of this lesson, what exactly happening there in the lesson. And what exactly the message there. Right? Make sure you will not leave in the mid. Watch this video till end so that you find yourself in that position to give the answer of any questions from any section of the lesson. See here. The Rat Trap sailor. We are talking about a person, right? He's a paddler and he used to sail his rat trap here and there, which he used to made of what? Made of those material which he used to bag and sometimes he stole. कोई स्टोर वगैरह से कहीं से वो चोरी वगैरह करते. Still, this profession was not so profitable for him. Anyways. And he was a person who always lost his imagination. What kind of imaginations? Imagination क्या था? What was his imaginations? Compare the world with rat trap. He said that whole world is a rat trap like that of the rat he used to made up himself. जिसको खुद बनाता था. उसको एक चूहेदानी पूरे संसार को भी बोलता था. That this is like that. And next one is the stealing. 30 kroner. He has stolen the 30 kroner from the crofter. And that crofter, who is a lonely person, he was very talkative and very friendly with this paddler and with this rat trapper. Why? Because he was a lonely. He has no one there. उसके पास ऐसा कोई नहीं था बातचीत करने के लिए. That's why he was so much friendly and talkative. And in his confidence, and he shows 30 kroner to this paddler because he was not just a paddler. He was not just a rat trapper, but actually he's a kind of thief. छोटी मोटी चोरी करना जिसका काम था. Right, after stealing the 30 kroner, he get into a forest where he entangled himself. यहाँ पर अपने आप पूरी से उलझा देता है, and finally he befooled himself by, thieving and by stealing these 30 kroners from the crofter. Right, and now because it was the time of night time, the रात का time था, so finally he heard some thumping sound that was coming from the nearby iron mill. ये iron mill की ओर जाता है, where he took shelter. He took shelter in that sawmill and that iron mill for the night. He was just अपने आप को वो वहां पे थोड़ा गर्म करा ही रहा था. In the meantime, Iron Master came there for their nightly inspection because the Iron Master was the kind of person who used to sell and he wanted to sell quality iron to the market. Sell out, बाहर भेजना था, quality होना चाहिए. That's why he used to come there for the inspections. So, having there, वहां होने के बाद जब वहां पहुंचता है, he saw that ragamuffin, the paddler there, and he misunderstood him, his old regimental comrade. Okay, he pursued him, right? Iron Master pursued him to come to home that मेरे साथ घर चलिए, but he refused his invitations. And Iron Master sent his daughter to pursue him, and finally, the way she proposed him and to invite him to home, he felt confidence in her. तो आ जाता है. And when he was there in their house, so recognizing paddler, Iron Master recognizing that he was not his old regimental comrade. Okay, so stopped by daughter because the Iron Master was so much angry with this. That what is that? Who are you? And why did you come? But paddler said that I was not intended to come here, but it was you who were proposing me to come. But here, जब आ ही गया हूं तो ठीक है. What was can be done? क्या बुरे से बुरा हो सकता है या वो किया जा सकता है? I can go out. So what's the problem? I'm not pretending to be something else. Okay, so here daughter father को मनाती है, and then she stopped him there to have a nice क्रिसमस ईव एंड नाइस क्रिसमस का जो खाना वगैरह था उसको एंजॉय करवाती है। एंड आफ्टर बर्थ दे वेंट टू द चर्च जाते हैं, वेयर दे कम टू नो अबाउट this crofter that he was a thief and who had stolen 30 kroner from the crofter. When they returned from the church, they found out that he has not taken anything along. Actually, he has left back a rat trap as he gave to the Edla Billmensons. Why? That was a great transformation in his character, and all was because of Edla Billmenson and her behavior. Let's try to know more about these three characters. Although already mentioned, still, what more we can say about these three? The first one is your old man. Old man is a very kind-hearted man. Lived alone. He was a person who lived alone. Why? Because he had no wife and children. That's why he was so much talkative and very friendly with the peddler when he received him. Right? He has a cow. When he has a physical fitness, he used to work in an iron mill. Now he is an old man. That's why he has a cow who helped him. And because of her help, he has received 30 kroner for the last month from creamery. Because जहाँ पे वो दूध बेचता है. Okay. Good host. He was a good host, of course. So we can say that the way he has received that rat trapper, who finally, cheated him. And this was a stranger, this was a rat trapper who cheated him later on. Okay, now, Mr. Billmenson. Who is Mr. Billmenson? Mr. Billmenson is the owner of the mill. Owner of the mill. जो आयरन की मिल है उसका मालिक है, and he was a person who wrongly took this rat trapper, his old regimental comrade समझा. And here Iron Master has a special quality that his main ambition and main aim was to ship out the best quality iron to the market. Okay. Edla Billmenson. Edla Billmenson is the daughter of Mr. Billmenson. Iron Master की बेटी है, and she is really a great heart, gentle lady, right? Great and a good persuader. When firstly Mr. Iron Master met Rat Trapper at the furnaces in Iron Mill, he invited that old regimental comrade था जिसको वो अपना मित्र समझा. He was inviting him to the house, but he declined. He refused to come. Then Iron Master decided to send his daughter because she had great power of persuasion, and because of this he came with her. What happened then? कैसे हुआ ये सारा कुछ? This all happened because of her nice behavior. Nice human being. Of course, she was very nice human being, and because of her that kind and the loving nature, she compelled that rat trapper to change himself, and finally he changed himself. अपने आप को change किया, उसने improve किया. Because of this, you have seen that how he not only left that 30 kroner back at her home just to get back to that crofter, but also he has एक छोटा सा एक जो रैट ट्रैपर है, जो चूहेदानी है, वो गिफ्ट के रूप में ऐसे क्रिसमस गिफ्ट एडला बिलमेंसन के लिए छोड़ा. Why? Because the way she behaved with him, that was the biggest reason that how Selma Lagerlöf put light here through किसके द्वारा? एडला बिलमेंसन के द्वारा, कि हम किसी की वीकनेस को ठीक कर सकते हैं, बट शर्त यह है कि that you have to deal with these things properly, nicely, kindly, lovingly, and with care. That was something about this lessons, and now we have some questions. From where did the paddler get the idea of the boat being a rat trap? See, the paddler was a poor man. He led a sad and wearisome life. He went around selling small rat trap of wire. One day while walking along the road, he was struck by an idea. It was really very entertaining to him, and he thought that the whole world about him was nothing but a big rat trap. He thought of human beings as rats and worldly joy as bait for them. The worldly riches, food and clothes are like cheese and pork kept in rat trap for rats. Right? The trap closed on him when he is tempted to touch the bait. So he got this idea from his own line of thought. Why Peddler was so much amused with the idea, the boat being a rat trap?
See, the paddler was leading a miserable life and the world had never been very kind to him when he was struck by the idea that the whole world about him was nothing but a big rat trap. The very thought seemed to him entertaining. Such analytical thinking about the people amused him a lot. Very interesting question here that did the paddler expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crofter? And why crofter was so talkative and friendly with the paddlers? See, the first one is here that Peddler did not expect the kind of hospitality that he received from the crofter. He always met sore faces in his life. Okay, the old man served him porridge and gave him supper. He played cards with the peddler and talked to him about his prosperous past. And here, crofter was so much talkative and friendly with the peddler because this man was without a wife or a child. He lived all alone in the house and there was nobody with whom to share his emotion, and he was very happy to find someone to talk. Right? That is why he was, and the crofter was so talkative and friendly with the paddler. Did the paddler respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter? No. The paddler did not respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter. He breached the trust. He returned after half an hour, broke the window pan and stole the crofter's money. He could not resist the temptation of the 30 kroners. Now, what made the paddler think that he had indeed fallen into a rat trap, and why did the paddler leap to the woods after leaving the crofter's cottage, and how did he feel? After stealing crofter's money, he left the highway and turned toward the woods, and he wanted to escape safely. It was a big and confusing forest. He tried to walk in a different direction, but the path twisted back and forth very strangely. Finally, he realized that he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest, and all at once he recalled his idea and the thought about the world and the rat trap. Even in that dense forest, he felt that there was no escape. He had indeed fallen into a rat trap. Why did the Iron Master speak kindly to the peddler and invited him home? The answer is very, easy here. See, the Iron Master was, one of his own nightly round of inspection when he saw the peddler in the iron mill, and he mistook him his old regimental comrade, and that's why he tried to pursue him to come to home. But he declined his invitation because the peddler was a poor vagabond, and he knew that he was mistaken as old regimental comrade, and he had also stolen 30 kroner from the old crofter, and he apprehended his precarious situations. He was afraid of being caught, so he declined the invitation. उसे डर था कि ऐसा ना हो कि मैं इसके घर चला गया and वहां पे पकड़ा गया, इस बारे में कुछ पता चल जाए 30 kroners के बारे में. Right. So next very important question is here that what made the paddler accept Edla Billmenson's invitations? And see, the Edla Billmenson was the daughter of the Iron Master, and she introduced herself to the paddler. She felt very sorry for her hard time, and she felt compassion for him. Though she was not pretty, yet she had great power of persuasion. She apprehended him either a thief or a miscreant escape from jail. She assured him that he would be free to leave them as freely as he came. She requested him to stay with them over Christmas Eve, and her kindness and generosity made him accept the invitation. But here Edla had a doubt about this peddler. What was that? Edla was very kind to him, and she observed that he was afraid. She thought either he has stolen something or he has escaped from jail. She seemed to be a keen observer of human nature, and her doubt about the peddler were based on her observation of peddler's behavior. Why did the peddler sign himself as Captain von Stahl? He was deeply affected by the behavior of the host, and the 30 kroner that he had stolen was also a burden on his mind. And he asked her in her letter to return the money to the old crofter. Now he was no longer a thief. Edla had raised his standard from a poor paddler to an honored captain. He signed the letter as Captain von Stahl, and he did not want to lose. When did Iron Master realize his mistake? See, when the paddler was clean and well dressed, Iron Master saw him, and he was not amused and pleased because The last night he could make mistake at the uncertain light of the furnace, but now here is no chances at all to recognize that is he his old regimental comrade or not. Why was Edla happy to see the gift left by the peddler? Edla and her father were very much worried about that the peddler must have robbed them and left. But when they returned from the church, they found out through the ballot, through the servant, that he has not taken anything along. Instead, he has left behind something, and it is a gift. She at once opened the package and found that it has a rat trap. And in that rat trap, there is, and there are 3 wrinkled 10 kroner note and also a letter written in his own hand. And the man was not a thief after all. So she was happy with it.
I hope it was very much helpful for you. So keep watching, like, share and subscribe so that other can get its advantage. Thank you.